Make passive income using YouTube in 2023. Hey there, fellow hustlers and YouTube superstars. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive into the exciting world of making passive income on YouTube in 2023. Get ready for a fun-filled adventure that will have you laughing all the way to the bank. Let's jump right in. Lights, camera, action. Before we unveil the secrets to passive income on YouTube, let's set the stage for success. After all, who doesn't love a good show? Here are 3 steps to ensure your YouTube journey starts with a bang. Step 1. Define your on-screen persona. Whether you're the witty comedian, the beauty guru, or the tech wizard, find your groove and let your personality shine through. After all, it's your time to sparkle. Step 2. Create a visual spectacle. Set up a YouTube-friendly background that screams, "This is my stage." Add some colorful lights, funky props, or even a mini disco ball, anything to grab your audience's attention and keep them entertained. Step 3. Nail your catchphrase. Think of it as your signature move, your verbal mic drop. Whether it's "Stay fabulous" or "Let's dive in, folks." Find that catchy phrase that will have your audience eagerly awaiting every new video. Also, what should I call my gang? Comment down below and I'll choose one. Now that the stage is set, it's time to discover the magical world of passive income on YouTube. Get ready to turn those views into stacks of cash with these mind-blowing strategies. Alright, let's kick off our YouTube money-making extravaganza with Strategy 1, Ad Revenue Extravaganza. Brace yourself for some serious cha-ching moments as we explore the world of ad revenue on YouTube. When it comes to earning passive income on YouTube, ad revenue is often the first thing that comes to mind. And for good reason. It's one of the most straightforward and reliable ways to generate income from your videos. So, how does it work? First things first, you need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements to monetize your channel and start earning from ads. As of 2023, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. So, if you're just starting out, focus on creating amazing content and building your subscriber base. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, it's time to dive into the monetization process. Head to your YouTube studio, navigate to the Monetization tab, and follow the simple steps to enable monetization on your channel. YouTube will then review your channel to ensure it meets their policies and guidelines. Strategy 2. Sponsored shenanigans. Picture this. Partnering with amazing brands that align with your content, getting paid to promote their products, and watching your bank account grow like a money tree. It's the ultimate win-win. Sponsored content has become a popular way for YouTubers to monetize their channels and work with brands they love. So, how does it work, and how can you get in on the action? Find brand partnerships that align with your content and audience. Reach out to brands, join influencer marketing platforms, or attend industry events. Create engaging sponsored content by being authentic, creative, and transparent. Build long-term relationships with brands by delivering on promises and providing value. Turn sponsored shenanigans into a lucrative source of passive income while having fun. By following these strategies, you can make sponsored content a fun and profitable part of your YouTube journey. Stay tuned for more exciting ways to make passive income on YouTube. Wow, we're halfway through our guide on making passive income on YouTube in 2023. Stick around for more incredible strategies coming your way, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue to our third strategy. Strategy 3, Affiliate Marketing Magic. Time to put your selling skills to the test. Find products or services you genuinely love, become an affiliate, and earn those sweet commissions when your viewers make a purchase. Cha-ching! Strategy 4, Merchandise Mayhem. It's time to unleash your creative genius. Design your own merchandise, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and watch as your fans proudly wear your brand, and you stack up those profits. But wait, there's more. It's 2023, and we've got some exclusive insider tips to keep you ahead of the game and ensure those passive income parties never stop. Tip 1. Live stream extravaganza. Go live and connect with your audience in real time. Enable Super Chat, where your fans can donate or have their messages stand out. It's like having your own virtual talent show. Tip 2. Diversify your kingdom. Don't put all your eggs in one YouTube basket. Explore platforms like Patreon, where your super fans can support you directly and unlock exclusive content fit for royalty. Tip 3. Collaboration Fiesta. Join forces with other YouTube dynamos in your niche. Collaborate, cross-promote, and watch your subscriber count skyrocket. 2 heads or more are definitely better than 1. And there you have it, my fellow YouTube enthusiasts, your ultimate guide to making passive income on YouTube in 2023. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the journey, the laughter, and the joy of creating content that makes a difference. So grab your cameras, unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this wild ride, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join our fabulous YouTube family. Leave a comment below with your favorite tip or share your own crazy YouTube story. Until next time, keep creating, keep having fun, and keep that passive income flowing like a never-ending stream of confetti